How to install Google Play Store on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can install Google Play Store on Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To install Google Play Store and then play Android games, you need to have Emulator. There are different types of emulators out there. I personally have downloaded two emulators. One is basically the BlueStacks, which I'm sure most of you are aware of, and the other is Game Loop, which is also actually quite popular. So you can also go ahead and use Game Loop in this case, which is also another Android emulator. So for me personally, I think that I might want to use BlueStacks as it is very compatible with almost all Windows devices. So I'll just go ahead and then open BlueStacks in this case. So once I open BlueStacks, I'm going to wait until this has been fully loaded up. So once BlueStacks has been loaded up, as I said, I'll make sure to drop a link below. I'm sure you can go to the installation process yourself. Once you've downloaded BlueStacks, you can see the option called Google Play, right? You can just click on that and then just select the option called Open Google Play, and then you'll be able to open BlueStacks app player as well as Google Play. So we're going to be patient and wait until this page has basically loaded up. So as you can see, I've basically opened up my Google Play Store in this case, and now what you need to do is you need to make sure to sign into Google Play account by just clicking the sign in button. If you've not already signed in, you'll automatically see the sign in button though, and then after you're signed in, you can just go ahead and download any app on Android like you downloaded that you want to download, and then just click on the install button, and then you should be able to download it accordingly. This is simply how you can go ahead and then actually use Android apps on PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.